Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cloud with Vivek. You are watching day 6 of our DevOps English series. Today we will learn about a simple but powerful Linux command cat. So basically guys, cat command stands for concatenate. It is a basic command used to display content of files, create new files and even combine multiple files. As a DevOps engineer, you will use cat every day while working with log files, scripts and configuration file. So basically what is syntax of cat command? So guys, the syntax of cat command is first one command, after that option, after that path, that which file or in which location your file is available. So for example, I want to open a default file that is etc passwd file. So I will use cat hyphen n is option, n stands for line number print. After that etc is default directory. In etc passwd is our file where user related information is stored in passwd file. So this is the syntax of our cat command. So many times interviewer asking, can we create file using cat command? So answer is yes, you can create file with the help of cat command. So let's come on terminal and we will do practical so everything you will understand. So first of all, I want to read a file cat etc groups. Okay, so etc group file we will read, so it will show, but you are looking that there is no line number, right? So I want to list with line number, so what you will do, use hyphen n option. So n will use line number. So you can see here what we are getting result, what is content inside file with line number. So we are getting line number with content. So this is the basic syntax. After that, if you want to create any file with the help of cat command, so first one you will use cat is command, after that greater than symbol which is wildcard in Linux, and after that name of file. So like I want to write info.txt and enter. So cursor blinking, what is the meaning of this cursor blinking? It is asking that guy write something for file. So I want to write welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel Cloud with Vivek. Okay, Cloud with Vivek, and my IP is 192.72.6.3. So I return this one. After that I want to save this file, so you will press Control D. What you will press? Control D. So your file will be saved. Again I want to read content, so cat info.txt. So guys, here info.txt means info.txt file exists in current location. So what I will do, only give the name of file, but if info.txt will be available in different location, then I have to give with proper path. So I enter. So you can see that I can read content of my file. So this is the way how you can create file. After that, suppose that I want to copy content of this info.txt file inside suren.txt file. So how I will do? So first of all, you can make empty file. If you don't want make, you can do one time also. But what I will do, touch surendra.txt. Okay, this is the my new file, but inside this file there is no content, you can see, right? What I want to do, I want to copy content of info.txt inside suren.txt. So what you will do, first of all you will write cat command, after that first file name which one you want to use content. So I want to use content of info.txt greater than, and where you want to store, I want to inside suren.txt, enter. And again I am going to read suren.txt file, so it will list content of suren.txt. So you can see that this is the way how you can copy content from one file to another file. But guys, if you want to look, sorry, if you want to append any content of new, like you want to add any file, so how you will do? So first of all, see, inside my info.txt there is two content. I want to write here my laptop name is Dell, or my laptop brand is Dell. So what I will do, I will use greater than, and inside info.txt, right? I want to write here my laptop brand is Dell, or I want to save it. So after that, press Ctrl D. But you know what happened? Existing content it has removed and only latest content is available. What I want to store latest content with existing content. So what you will do? Then you have to use, guys, double greater than. So it will append content inside your file. So I want to write here my YouTube channel name is Cloud with Vivek, and after that I want to save. So Control D. Now you will see my old content with new content available. So this is the way how you can use. Same thing, guys, like many times what you are going to do, you want to append content, sorry, append not, combine content. So you can see inside info.txt this data, and inside suren.txt this data. I want to merge these both files into one file. What I will do? First of all, I will use cat command. After that, name of first file. So file name is info.txt, then suren.txt, and here I want to create a new file combined.txt. Okay. So what it will do? It will copy info.txt data, suren.txt data inside combine.txt. Now I want to read data of combine.txt. So you can see that both file content is available here. So guys, this is the way that how you can use cat command in your production environment, or as a DevOps engineer, or as a hacker, or as a Linux system admin. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. So if you are really like my videos, so like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel, also share in your LinkedIn family. So we will meet on next video. Thank you to all of you.